Hello everyone, this video will show you the electric vacuum feeder. The electric vacuum feeder is a dust-free feeding equipment for powder and granular materials. It consists of a vacuum pump, a filter element, a compressed air backflow device, a vacuum tank and other parts. The negative pressure airflow generated by the vacuum pump and other devices is used to suck the material from the feed port and separate the gas and matter in the vacuum tank. Clean air passes through the filter element and is discharged into the atmosphere through the vacuum pump. The material is separated and falls into the silo, thus completing the material conveying process. According to the characteristics of different materials, the electric vacuum feeder can adopt filter elements of different materials such as PE filter element, pleated membrane filter element, stainless steel filter element, titanium rod filter element, etc. The electric vacuum feeder adopts a fully enclosed design, which solves the problems of dust leakage and cross-contamination during the conveying of powder materials. It is simple to operate and has flexible feeding time. The duration can be set according to the needs. The structural design is exquisite, easy to disassemble and assemble, and with no sanitary dead corners. The electric vacuum feeder has a wide range of uses and is suitable for food, medicine, chemical, and other industries. It can convey powder and granular materials such as medicinal powder, matcha powder, protein powder, spices, catalysts, and graphite.